you have a laptop or a smartphone, you have an asset. So in this video, I'm going to show you one way that you can be earning from AI with your smartphone or your laptop. So if you are someone who wants to be making money from AI, there are a lot of ways that you can make money from AI. You can use AI to write. You can use AI to generate content. You can use AI to generate videos. You can use AI to create graphics, and you can use AI to do a lot of things. But the thing is that just creating these things will not give you any money unless you sell them to someone or to a company or something like that before you can make money. Now let's forget about all that. What is the easiest way you can use AI to make money? The best way to make money with AI, the fastest way, is by teaching people how to use the AI tools. Now, there are a lot of AI tools out there. One thing you must know is that if you are working for a company using AI, if they get to know that you are using this particular AI to do this, they can also learn it and you know how to use it, you see. So the thing is, if you are rather teaching people how to use the AI tools, it will be far better because these companies will also like to learn. Employees will also like to learn. Bosses will like to learn. A lot of people are interested in knowing how to use the AI tools right now. So if you are someone who can teach people how to use these AI tools now, you'll be making a lot of money. So how can you get started teaching people how to use the AI tools? The number one thing you can do is by creating videos, reviewing the AI tools to people on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, and all that. So how can you monetize this whole thing? On YouTube, for instance, if you're able to get some number of followers or subscribers and watch time, YouTube will monetize you and you'll be making money from there. Now, apart from this monetization, the AI platforms or these AI tools, those creating these tools, they can reach out to you that, oh, we have a new tool over there, so we want you to do a review for them. So anytime you are doing the review for them, you'll be making money out from your reviews that you are making. They'll be sponsoring your content or you'll be paying you to do reviews for them. So you see, if you're someone who wants to be making money with AI, teaching people how to use the AI tools is more lucrative than you using it to do something for a company, because once they get to know, they will be doing it themselves. So let's say, for instance, today you can say, I want to teach people how to use ChatGPT. So meaning you create a whole video about ChatGPT, you learn it yourself and teach people how to use the ChatGPT AI tool. Then after that, you can move on to another tool like copy.ai and let people know how to use it. You can also go to logo generator AI. A lot of AI tools are out there, graphic generators and all that. A lot of platforms or a lot of tools are coming. So if you can make it, it's a lucrative business because more and more will be coming. So your own is to be teaching people how to use the platforms. So you keep reviewing a lot of these platforms to them. So basically, this is like the best way you can start making money fast with AI tools. You can either, organize an offline training or online training, create a course about how to use the various tools and all that. So guys, that's it. You have to do your own research well and see how you can go about creating content and all that. One strategy to be getting more content to create is to be reading articles about AI platforms. So if you are going into video editing or you have to be doing videos about AI platforms, you can read more articles and then you bring it into video form. If you want to be doing the content in the form of writing, then you can watch more video contents and put it into writing. You can be making something from there. So guys, that's it. I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more helpful videos.